Let's open the box. You can find the Candlemaking direction on the kit box. See what's in the kit box. Cover something on your workplace to ensure an easy cleanup when you are done. Fill a larger separate pot with water and bring the water to a boil. You will be putting the wax melting pot inside the boiling water. Pour 1 bag of wax into the melting pot. Once the water reaches a boil, reduce the heat. And wait until the wax melting completely. Place a wick in the center of the candle tin. Using a glue dot, attach the wick to the bottom of the container. And press down firmly to make sure the wick is properly attached. Using the bow tie clip to assist you in keeping the wig in place. Place the included thermometer into the wax to ensure your wax reaches a temperature of 140 Fahrenheit. While pots are still under heat source, add a dye block of your choice and stir gently until the dye is melted. This set includes 3 dye blocks for each color, so you can control the density of color adjusting the number of dye blocks. Once everything is melted, remove it from the heat source. Choose 1 fragrance oil among included 6 different scents. Add a full bottle of the fragrance of your choice. Mix vigorously to ensure the best scents flow from your candle. Pour the wax into the candle tin. Be sure not to pour directly over the wick. Do not overfill the tin. Let the candle cool overnight or a full day. Do not put in the fridge or freezer in an attempt to speed up the process. Before using the candle, trim the candle wick so it extends only 1/3 inch above the surface of the candle. Put a label and close the lid. Attach an included sticker of your choice. Congratulations! You have created a quality-rich scented candle. Make your home cozy with We Make Candle.